Hi, it's Chris with WTI. If you're looking for a camera tripod that is compact and light, this one is perfect for you. It's made by JOBY. What is nice about it is that it doubles as a selfie stick, which extends up to a maximum of 2 feet in length. It also comes with a detachable remote switch that connects to your phone via Bluetooth, which turns your camera off and on in any camera setting. The handle has a comfortable rubberized surface that allows for a safe grip while taking pictures. It also comes with a safety wrist strap to prevent dropping your equipment. I like that it has an integrated ball head that allows for precise positioning of the camera when taking up close shots. The camera adapter that comes with the tripod is adjustable and accommodates all cell phones on the market. It easily screws into the 1/4-inch screw located at the top of the adjustable ball head. I purchased this particular tripod because of its versatility in being able to accommodate other small cameras like my GoPro shown here. This tripod is a must-have for all vloggers, photographers, and videographers alike. I carry mine around with me at all times in the glove compartment of my car, and that's my point of view.